Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce at home. Chop ripe tomatoes, garlic, and onions, then sauté them in olive oil until soft and fragrant. Add salt, pepper, and a splash of red wine if you like, then simmer slowly to develop depth. Stir occasionally and taste, adjusting seasoning and acidity with a little sugar or lemon juice. Finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil. Start with simple pantry staples and build flavor step by step for a sauce that feels homemade and comforting. Sweat onions and garlic gently without browning to keep a clean taste, then add tomatoes and a pinch of salt to coax out sweetness. Let the sauce simmer low and slow for at least 30 minutes, skimming any foam, and finish with chopped basil and a splash of good olive oil for shine. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you cook and fits neatly on busy countertops, perfect for stirring and tasting without spills. It's lightweight and stylish, which makes kitchen prep more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your texture and add-ins based on what you enjoy, and keep techniques simple for reliable results every time. For a silky sauce, blend part or all of the tomatoes. For rustic sauce, leave them chunky and hand-crushed. Browned meat or sautéed mushrooms deepen umami, while a touch of cream tames acidity if desired. Always taste and adjust salt, heat, and herbs before serving warm over your favorite pasta.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.